Okay, we're going to do a video of a 33-ton Strippit. It is a model FC1500H30. Sean is going to run it. First we'll show you the fingers, opening and closing here, the clamps. There you go. Then we'll cycle the bridge. It'll accommodate a Workpiece 60 by 99. The table travels are 63 3/4 by 100. The maximum sheet thickness it'll take is 0.312. Now we'll show you the turret. It'll punch a 3.5-inch hole in 10-gauge material. It's equipped with a FANUC 180 IP CNC Control. It has 42 station thick turret punch with 3 auto indexing stations. It can be seen here in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you.